Okay, now that the document is retrieved, indexed, and stored in the database with the correct embeddings, I can then do analysis or send it to one of the pre-built agents to do additional processing. So if we click on Generate in Intelligence, here's a list of the agent teams that I have available to me that can analyze this document or set of documents in this case, since it's a project. Uh, the Alta title commitment one that we demonstrated earlier. We have business valuations, one that'll generate quick claim deeds, uh, warranty deeds, uh, a variety of different deeds, and filing those with the various counties. And then we have one for medical claims and a drone project, one for logbook translations. And those are just the available agents in this demo account. And I can also do a general analysis. So if I click analysis, that pulls the document in with all of the metadata. And I can also do the analysis just on the uh, metadata or the full text. So I can ask various questions here. There's pre-made templates for like translating the entire document to Spanish. These are just previous ones that I've saved in my preferences for this. But let's go ahead and just do a simple one, and let's say we want a summary of the document. Sorry, didn't save my preset. Okay, and you'll notice here's the basic summary of the document, but you'll notice that the source here, everything for the preferences of my account and the kind of default to the system, we have a set of customizations. Like one of the overriding principles in this is the auditability of the sources to make sure that the AI is always grounded in fact and doing that as more of a translation of information as opposed to kind of a traditional large language model generation where it might hallucinate or have different different issues. Everything that these various agents that we have here all are constrained by one, kind of these hard parameters around sourcing the information, the various guardrails that we have for PII and various security compliance structures, but also based on the preference. So as an examiner provides information, as I, as a user, kind of doing these free-form questions and back and forth chats with the agents, those preferences get evaluated and saved and get into the pre-training data and the agent instructions and the customization for this going forward. So it knows that I prefer to have my answers kind of concise and factual and based on the data and what the tone of my communications or how my analysis are, and it will learn that over time, and that can be extended to an organization where you then pick for instance, like your best, your best examiners or the highest quality of those, and use that as training. So when the model generates, a particular output, that it is always learning from your best examiners, and making sure that they have fewer and fewer manual changes and corrections to the generation as it evolves over time. You can click on a couple of other interesting ones. Here's an actual title commitment report generated from the agent interface. Really, same kind of thing we saw before, but with in kind of a custom format, of the data. We have let's see, another kind of interesting one. Uh, this one is an analysis of payroll data. Uh, Here's an acreage report. This is for an oil and gas on a special warranty deed for the overlapping checks. This was had a series of maps and needed an acreage report done. But again, this interface is typically only used for like one-off cases. In general, most of the implementations are an order comes in for a title commitment package for a particular address. The retrievers automatically pull it back, create the title commitment report. The examiner reviews and certifies it. Thank you for your attention, and please reach out to us if you have any questions.